Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we're diving into something that's going to set your pulse racing, the all-new 2025 Dodge Challenger Hellcat. Get ready, because this beast of a machine is pushing boundaries like never before. The 2025 Dodge Challenger Hellcat continues its legacy as one of the most iconic muscle cars on the market, but this year, it's back with even more power and performance enhancements. Under the hood, you'll find a supercharged 6.2-liter Hemi V8 engine, producing an incredible 797 horsepower and 707 lb-ft of torque. That's right, this machine is all about raw, unrelenting power. And it delivers that in spades. With all that power comes a need for control. And Dodge has not skimped in this area. The 2025 model features upgraded suspension systems, offering adaptive dampers and improved steering responsiveness to give drivers more control at higher speeds. Whether you're flying down the highway or taking sharp turns on the track, the Hellcat's handling is finely tuned for both power and precision. The exterior design of the 2025 Hellcat stays true to its muscle car roots while incorporating modern tweaks that make it look even more aggressive. Bold front grills, large air intakes, and a menacing stance ensure that this car doesn't just sound powerful, it looks the part too. Add to that the signature Hellcat badge, and you're looking at one of the most intimidating designs on the road. Inside the cabin, you'll find luxury and performance-focused features combined to offer an optimal driving experience. Premium materials, racing-inspired seats, and a driver-focused cockpit make you feel in control at all times. The large touchscreen infotainment system with Dodge's latest Uconnect software keeps you connected while offering a seamless user experience. From navigation to media controls, this car isn't just about performance and good looks, though. Safety is a priority, too. The 2025 Dodge Challenger Hellcat is equipped with the latest in driver assistance technologies, including adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, and forward collision warning. It ensures that while you're pushing the limits of speed, you're still staying safe on the road. Now, when it comes to options, Dodge offers several performance packages that can boost both the power and handling of the Hellcat. From track-tuned brakes to wider tires and aerodynamic enhancements, there's plenty of room for customization. The 2025 Dodge Challenger Hellcat isn't for the faint of heart. It's built for those who crave speed, power, and the unmistakable roar of a V8 engine. Whether you're a die-hard muscle car fan or someone looking for a thrill, this car delivers in every way. Thanks for watching, and if you're as excited about this all-new Hellcat as we are, make sure to subscribe for more in-depth car reviews and features. Keep it locked right here on Modern Tractors, and we'll see you in the next video.